In this video, I'll show you how to change your signature in Docusign quickly and easily using a simple step-by-step method. After logging in, head to your Profiles section and open Manage Profile, then navigate to the Signatures tab, where your saved signatures are stored. From there, click the Actions or Edit option to modify your existing signature or create a completely new one. You can type, draw, or upload a handwritten signature image depending on your preference. Docusign makes the process very user-friendly, but it's important to make sure your signature looks professional and consistent before saving. Also remember that changes usually apply only to future documents, not previously completed ones. Taking a moment to preview the signature on different devices can also help avoid formatting issues later. Overall, it's a quick feature that adds flexibility and personalization to your workflow. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay efficient and organized.